Hi, this video is part 8 of a series in which I do a graphite pencil drawing of an eye and partial face. In this video I will concentrate on how to draw rough skin texture, including drawing skin pores, lines, wrinkles and blemishes. So in this video I'll be utilizing quite a lot of time lapse compared to the other videos. That is because there's actually quite a lot of work to do with the skin texture, especially the area below the eye. As you can see, I'm working on skin pores using, well, I'm adding graphite here, and I'm also blending it and then using the pencil eraser just to get the highlights showing again. And so well, that area there, that's right by the nose, I could say adjacent to the nose. And in this area adjacent to the nose there'll be a lot of dots to be made, dotty kind of work with the pencil eraser, and then broken lines as well, just to show the skin texture and the skin pores. I'm adding graphite and then removing it and then blending it. It's really a repeat of that process. I think you can see the type of rough skin texture I'm trying to get here, and it's going to be very different from over here, for example, and certainly here. It'll be more lined here. Here, in this area here, you can see that I've got a few lines happening. That's going to go, it's going to wave in like a backward S shape, I suppose, in general, but then it's going to blend into sort of being a bit dotty at the same time. Okay, so I think you've probably realized that I won't actually be drawing the nose itself. The nostrils would be way off the page anyway, and so this is more like the bridge between the nose itself and the rest of the face. Yeah, well, as you can see, I'm just adding a bit more graphite here where there's like more shading needed to show deeper pores or indentations. Okay, so next stage, I'm going to move on to this part of the face. Yeah, which is going to be a totally different type of texture to deal with. So as you can see, a very different approach here. I've added some very distinct, almost vertical, I suppose, vertical highlights that sort of really show the different types of wrinkles there just below the corner of the eye. But I've had to add a lot of graphite and then soften it up with the blender and just carry on doing it that way.